Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to open your Microsoft Edge browser in a private mode by default. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to open your Microsoft Edge browser in a private mode by default, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to just click on this start menu, then type here Edge. Right click on this Edge, then click on open file location. Here you can see Edge, Microsoft Edge. Right click on that, then click on copy. Then paste it on the desktop. Right click on this icon of Microsoft Edge browser, then click on property. Here you can see target. In the end you can see msH.exe. In last, what you have to do, just give the space hyphen InPrivate. You have to type hyphen InPrivate. After, you can see after typing this hyphen InPrivate, then click on apply. Then click OK. Now when you open your Microsoft Edge browser, it will be opened in private browsing. That's it guys. So in this way you can open Edge browser in a private mode by default on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.